Hi, this is Gene at iFIXsmartphone.com. Today I wanted to show you how to remove the iPhone 5C and iPhone 5S battery from the frame. Usually you will kind of want to know why you want to learn that, because sometimes you have to replace the battery, and a lot of times you find it is almost impossible to remove the iPhone 5C or 5S battery because it's kind of stuck to the frame with the hard glue like this. And I'm sure if you have tried it, and when you try to forcefully remove the battery, you will see the battery gets warped up and gets really wrinkled and thus becomes unusable. When the battery is bad, it doesn't really matter, but in a case like this, this owner of this phone has the phone got kind of damaged. As you can see, the housings are cracked, and front screen is also damaged, and wanted to get a new housing for it. And this battery recycle count was less than 150, so we decided to reuse this battery. And for us to reuse the battery, you have to remove the battery in the right way. So I wanted to show you how to do that. As you can see here, the logic board is already removed, and the also, since we are transferring anyway, in order to achieve the right job, it is advised that you remove this charging port from the 5S or 5C housings as well, so that it's easier to get under the battery. As you can see here, this is what Apple used to stick the battery to the frame. So what you have to do is you actually have to remove all this glue sticker underneath it, but we don't want to use a sponge or anything like that to forcefully do that. The trick is to grab the end and then kind of pull it out and slide it out there under the battery, to as flat as possible to the frame. So if you really go parallel to this angle, it's a lot easier. Or if you try to lift them up, it's not gonna work. It's gonna cut, and then it's gonna be harder to remove the battery. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what you do is you get this little tweezer looking or little pick, and there's a little hole here. Can lift that up. You can already see that glue sticks in there. So this, as you can see here, it's gonna held at the bottom is held by the one tape. So you want to cut that so it's easier to remove. So once you hold on to that, and then from here you just want to go slowly start pulling it. So this is the reason why the charging port was removed, because if there was a charging port in here, you would have to go a steeper angle, and it creates a lot of friction, so this stick will get cut. So you want to go as low as possible to the frame, and you want to slowly start pulling it, and then you kind of feel it. You don't want to go too fast, just slowly. You can feel it, and it's easier. And there, so one strip is out. And then the second one, pull that again. Again, this is the reason why we remove the charging port and the logic board. So as low as possible, slowly, straight out, and then little resistant, but still keep going. There, second stick out, and then battery gets removed cleanly from the frame. And then once you get removed, now you can use this battery knowing that you did not damage the battery, and using the authentic Apple battery sticker, put that on there, put it in, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you and if you have any questions, please visit us at iFIXsmartphone.com and send us an email. Thank you.